cross-country service to Painting, guys, and that's the train I just got off to get the Dawlish. 221140 on the train. And he's currently running in like 13-14 minutes there, I think. Okay guys, this is Alex Train Spotter HD and welcome back. And today I'm at Dawlish. I'm going to do part 5 of my Riviera Line special. I'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry. Mainly passing services in this video. I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Obviously Christmas is nearly here. Christmas Eve tomorrow. Speaking of Christmas Eve tomorrow, I should be at Plymouth tomorrow to make a Christmas Eve special at Plymouth. So I'll expect to do plenty of videos over the Christmas period. So yeah, obviously if the weather's right, would help of course, but we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. There you guys, back with another train, another passing train. This will be the Penzance train, because this was the train behind me when I left St David's. He's running late as well. Obviously expected, as it's Christmas now and everyone wants to get away for Christmas. My god, you should have seen the platform at St David's. My god, it was bloody chocker block it was. .093 at the front, which I think that could be the ODOT comment. Was it 43187 at the back? I think the 43093 is the ODOT comment, if I can remember rightly. Yeah. Okay guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train, most likely another passing train. Okay guys, we're back. Another passing service on this side, going to Penzance. Cross-country service.
The next train is not scheduled to stop. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Stand back from the edge of platform 1. The next train is not scheduled to stop.
Cross-country service to Penzance. I was going to Penzance as well, guys. So we'll come back in a few seconds with probably another passing service. Hey guys, we're back. Another passing service and another cross-country passing service. This time going to Leeds. Guys, back in a few seconds with another train, and that should be a stopping service. Try not to faint at that. We'll come back then. Okay guys, we're back. We got a stopping service this time. Try not to faint at that. Going to Painting. the 150-202 on the train. So we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Hey guys, we're back. The paint service about to depart. Guys, that's that service to Peyton. There'll be another stopping service on the opposite side going to Exmouth, so we'll come back soon with that train. Hey guys, we're back. Another stopping service going to Exmouth on the 4 coaches, so it'll be a double pacer. The 143-621 at the front and the 143-619 at the back. So we'll come back in a few seconds once it departs. Hey guys, back. The Exmouth service about to depart. Okay, that's that train then, guys. We'll come back soon with another train, which probably will be a passenger service this time, so we'll come back then. Hey guys, we're back. Fortunately, there's not going to be another train there until about another 15 minutes or so. But I'm going to end the video here. It's part 5 of my Riviera Line special at Dawlish. Hope you enjoyed. I know it's a bit of a short video, but yeah, hope you enjoyed nonetheless. Not a bad variety, a few cross-country services, passing services, and the 2 stopping services, and the HST as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. My next stop along the line will be Teignmouth. That'll be part 6 of my Riviera Line special. I have recorded at Teignmouth a few other times, so obviously I know the station pretty well. So yeah, until then guys, I'll see you soon with another video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Cheers guys.